Oh shit, I left the lights on.
What's happening? Welcome to the channel. I hope you guys are having a good day. I've got some pretty sick content coming up for you guys today because it's a new car. Everyone loves a new car. Even better, I didn't even pay for it. Winning. So if you guys don't know who Cardusio are, I'll put the link in the description down below and I'll put their app right there. Cardusio is a wrapping company that also do headlight, tail light tints, splitters, diffusers, spoilers, grill changes, wall refurbs, caliper painting, all that sort of good stuff all comes under Cardusio. So if you need anything like that done to your car, make sure you hit the link in the description and I'll put their app there again. If you want your car wrapped, that's where you go. Cardusio also own this place and they've been kind enough to rent out space to me so I can just cut cars up, which is sick. So when I'm not doing what I'm doing, I'm usually helping Cardusio wrapping and doing all sorts of stuff anyway, so I don't mind. I get to work on cars. So they bought themselves a shop car. I would have preferred a shop truck, I'm not gonna lie. I did send them loads of shop trucks, potential shop trucks. I don't think they like the idea of a Datsun Sunny pickup. I thought they were pretty cool, but clearly not. But what they have bought literally screams Cardusio. It's got them two written through and through, so I'm not even surprised. But it's not as cool as a Datsun Sunny truck, so sucks to be them. But this isn't gonna be a major project like my Mini or stuff like that. This is just a quick little bring it in, spice it up a little bit, Cardusio style, and we've designed a livery for it as well, actually, which when it comes down to doing it, I'll make sure I bring my little camera along with me and you can see the livery being put on as well. Once it's all complete and it's all done, we're going to be doing a nice little cinematic film as well, which I'll make sure I upload here and you'll see it on Cardusio's Instagram, and I think that'll be pretty sick once it's all complete. It will suit, I reckon it will suit like a nice nighttime shoot, so I'm going to try and aim for that. But without any more messing around, let's show you what's been added to the fleet. Sick.
Yeah. Lowpocus. When it's time to hit the club, I let my chain hang. If they got clovers and they knock me in the same game. I'm 20 deep in VIP, talking everything. Still a steel in my hand for my wood grain. I got homies on the west, it's like the game name. And I got homies on the east who do the same thing. I told Johnny put 50 in my pinky ring. 5 carat diamond chain, BVS is in the name. You know I rep the dirty where they move pain. You know we mix pickle stuff in that blue drink. Hypnotic, big bodies with blue paint. We got big on spray, but it's still same. You a lame, so your game playing mind games. I'm a pimp, so I stay in that mind frame. Niggas talk shit until I let the nine bang. Me and Goose in it, laid back, switching lane.
So there it is, E92 M3. It's actually frozen grey underneath. It's competition pack factory, ECT, 4 litre V8, naturally aspirated, 400 and something horsepower. But it's nice. It's a nice car. I'm not really much of a new car person, obviously, but yeah, it sits nice, it looks nice, but we still got a load of bits that we want to do to it. So yeah, it's a good little start. It's a good start. Obviously, I didn't put any money towards it because I'm poor, but it's nice to have another car to work on. I've also designed a livery for it, which hopefully we're going to do sometime soon. They didn't have the vinyl in stock at the moment, so when it does come in stock, then I'll be sure to take you along for the ride. But until then, let's crack on and let's get this car looking a bit more us. Do you know what I mean? Let's go.
They're not for you particularly, but they're for you.
For me to fit? Are they for me to fit?
No, they're for you to display.
Go and get it.
It's kind of for you.
Let's go. Oh, sick! Holy shit! Alright, that fucking sick. Oh, mate. That is so sick.
two pipes there. Where do they start from?
The front, they're at the very end.
Oh, is that okay? It starts from there.
Yeah.
I thought it started from here because I was gonna say.
No. It joins over there.
Oh, okay, that's fine then. Yeah, okay, it fits. That's
It
fine.
starts all the way.
Oh, okay, so it starts from the front back. Oh, lovely. Okay then. I guess I'll crack on. Bye, Dad. What's crack-a-lacking? Oh yeah. I'm not an expert or anything, but I don't think Blue Tack's gonna hold it, mate.
Ever?
Yeah. Oh wow! It's so nice. Yeah. Yeah, that's come out alright. I like that. Very race car look. That's nice.
Guess the highlight of the day though.
You killed a fly.
A wasp.
Oh
Did you know?
Got our first snap up. Huh? No. Yeah. Nothing. No. No. This is what I found underneath. It was just sitting there, so I took it off. Good save.
So the exhaust is off from there. So obviously, because it's off, there's only one thing you got to do now. Start it while it's off. Exciting!
How excited he is.
Exciting.
He's so hyped about this right now. He's actually trying to get inside. Oh my days.
That stinks.
Nice.
Oh my god.
Oh
Wow. I'm sick. That was ridiculous.
loud.
Oh shit. Yo, that was mad. And now it stinks. At least we know they don't fit. Imagine. Oh yeah, that's sick. You do know that's upside down, yeah?
Just not. That's the right way.
Yo, it is. Oh, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. I've just I finished work at 6 in the morning. I haven't slept. I went home, had a shower, come in now, and I'm just gonna jump in the car, have a nap, and when Rafiq gets here in like maybe an hour and a bit time, maybe a couple hours, he's gonna wake me up, and then we're gonna bash this car out, We're going to try and finish at least the springs and the exhaust, so that all the aero is done. All that's really left is just the livery. So yeah, I'm gonna go and get some sleep, and hopefully when I wake up, I won't be moody.
Go on.
That's nice. Oh shit. That's sick! Woo!
I think it sounds alright, you know?
Oh, that's pretty sick.
It seems to look
that's
now,
pretty
innit?
sick.
And that's the original back box. Imagine we changed that as well.
That's pretty sick. Oh my god. Let's see William's reactions. Look how sick that looks now, man. All done. So sick. So much beefier. But yeah, there you go. All nicely done and finished. Sick.
There you have it. E92 M3 done. Kind of. We've still got the wheels left to do, and we've still got the livery left to do. But apart from that, pretty much done. And I think it's turned out really nice. I like the way the splitter and the canals, it just, all in all, it just sort of gives it like a racy look. Digging that. And once the livery's on and like stuff like the tie letters and the wheels are black, I think it's gonna look really, really good. And I think it will definitely do its job as a rolling advert. Let us know what you think about it in the comments down below. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn on the notification icon, because when the livery is being done and when the wheels are coming back, you'll be the first to see it. Catch you later. Peace.